this is the beginning of part 2 of the video on how to install and use the Sigma Live chat module. Now, we have to set up the connection between the Windows client and the website so we can provide the support required. So let's go to File, Settings. Under here, this is where we will be doing our setup. So basically we have to type in the information on the top part. Agent name, I'm going to say that this is John. Agent ID. Agent ID is created automatically. When we fill this information, we can click Get New Agent ID and this will be populated. Company ID is the ID that we have grabbed from the website. So it's number 5 here. Portal username. That's the user that we have created in our portal, which is John. This will be the support user. Account ID. Again, we have specified a sequence of characters for the account ID, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Portal ID. Now, usually portal ID will be number 0 because, again, usually you only have one portal, but it might not be the case. So just to show where you can get the portal ID, just go back to the website. Let's go to our chat page and under Manage, let's go to Edit Sigma Live. And we have the portal ID right here. So portal ID number 0. So let's go back there to our settings, portal ID 0. Now, the last part is the Sigma Live web service, which is the URL that we have grabbed from the website, pointing to that web service. I'm just gonna paste it here. This is basically it. I'm gonna click Update. It's asked for restart. I'm just gonna go back there so I can click on Get New Agent ID. It's taking a little bit of time, but it came up as 2. So if we go back there, you can see that the agent ID is set as number 2. This is all that we need to do. Now we have to close. Let's close the application, the Windows application again. And let's open it once again because it asked for us to restart the application. So let's go back there. Just loading the application again. So here is the desktop application. And now we should be able to simulate a chat request from a regular user. So let's just do this. Let's go back to the website. There's one thing in this page that I missed doing. This page right now is only visible by admin. I have to go to Pages, Page Settings, and let's make this visible by all users. Update page. So all users can see this page right now. As you can see, live chat, talk to us now. This is the image that is showing for an online when there is someone for the users to chat with. If I go back here to Live Sigma Live and click, if I click offline, I will be set there as offline, back soon. If I go back there, click online, and I try to refresh the page, it says that there's someone that you can speak with. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open Internet Explorer because this is Firefox. I'm going to open Internet Explorer to see the website as a regular user. Here's the website, Internet Explorer. I'm going to click on Chat. And now I can see live chat, talk to us. Let's give it a try. Let's see what will happen here. If I click live chat, it pops up a little chat window. Now, you cannot hear that, but I have the sound of my computer on. I can hear a chime saying that, actually indicating that someone just came in to let the agent know that there is someone there. Now, let's see what is showing in our client desktop application. See, it says that there's someone waiting there. And it shows the IP address. Again, this is just my local computer. I'm going to click there and say that I accept chat. So again, you can see that the interface is very flexible. There are many different options. We're not going to explore everything here, but let's accept this chat. So it says that John has joined the chat because I'm the agent called John. And let's just give it a try here. How can I help? And let's hit enter. Let's see here. Now in the chat, it says that John has joined the chat. This is an evaluation, of course. And it says, how can I help you? Again, I just asked as the support person, as John, how can I help? Okay. I have a problem. And this is the client. I'm acting now as the client side. And I'm just saying that I have a problem. So again, it shows my chat window as the customer, as the client. If I go back here to the Sigma Live client, I can see visitor. Okay, I have a problem. It says visitor because the user is not logged in. If the user was logged in, I would be seeing here the username. And we can keep going the conversation like that. So test here. Enter, again, it will show up there in the pop-up. So test, and eventually I can end the chat. So if I click end chat, the chat will be finished, and it will say here that I closed the session and it's done. So we can also configure which images will show up, the logos and things like that. And we have a bunch of more options here as well. So this is the version of the live chat to interact in a support type of environment. But you can also open this to an open chat window, to an open chat functionality. For instance, if you go to manage again, edit Sigma Live, you can make this a public chat room. And you can say that public room. Let's update this. And now all of a sudden, the chat will become just an open chat room. I just put my name, Ederson, register to room. You have connected to the server, continue. Yes, let's chat. Now I can go back there as a regular client on, let's say, Internet Explorer. And if I refresh this, I can come in as another user. And I can register for a room. Let's chat. So it says that there are 2 people in the room. Now, again, I really think that the forte of this module is really the feature of live support, not so much chat. Chat, there is a very good chat module, open chat module, that I have done a review some weeks ago, and I will be putting a link to it as well. So I would really use the Sigma Live chat module more so as a support channel instead of a public chat room. So I'm just gonna uncheck this. I'm gonna make it go to the way it used to be before. So now again, it's back to a regular support channel. Let's have a look at some additional features and options under Edit Live Sigma. So here we have the place that we can say what is the image for back soon image, offline image. We can set up as a URL. We can upload a new file. We can select an image for online as well. So back soon image, offline image, online image, chat banner. We can also specify how frequent the module will refresh the messages. And this, I believe, is in milliseconds. So here it's basically every 2.5 seconds. It's refreshing. The status is refreshing the chat. Here I can also determine the width and height of the pop-up chat. So we can specify that here. This module is also heavily integrated with the other Sigma modules. So you can actually create tickets in the Sigma Pro. I'm not sure what the name of the Sigma Pro ticketing system, but I think it's Sigma Pro Draconis. So again, there is a lot of integration with the other modules of Sigma Pro package. Okay. So that's basically it. That's how you can use Sigma live chat to add a support chat feature to your .NETNuke website.